Let's gain some knowledge about how to use rapid rooters. Rapid rooters are made up of organic materials and composted tree bark. It is a great medium for germinating seeds and cuttings, especially for your hydroponics. Rapid rooter is one of the best grow plug to grow your seedlings and rooted cuttings. It will enhance the growth of your roots, and it is easy to use, efficient, and clean. How to use rapid rooters for your hydroponic. Rapid rooters can both be transplanted in hydroponics and into dirt or soil, making them versatile. So follow the steps on the next slide to know how to use rapid rooters for your hydroponic garden or soil. Step 1. Soak your rapid rooter plugs. Get distilled water and soak your rapid rooter plugs to rehydrate them. You can soak them for a few hours or up to 24 hours. Before putting your rapid rooter inside its holes where the seeds are to be placed, you can tear a tiny part from the bottom. This way, the seeds are kept in a dark place. When you are done soaking, put the rapid rooter plugs in the grow tray. Step 2. Seed planting. Next is to plant your seeds. Put a seed or more in the holes of each plug. To enhance the rate of successful germination for each of the rapid rooter plug, we recommend you plant more than a seed. These seeds need low light or darkness for seed germination. Step 3. Keep moist and cover grow tray. You will need to keep the rapid rooter moist by filling the grow tray with about 1/4 inch of water in the tray below. The rapid rooter plug can absorb moisture from the tray and stays hydrated. The success of the germination rate will increase if you apply some heat. To keep a warm temperature, you can make use of a seedling heat mat below the tray. Cover the tray with a dome so it can remain in a warm and damp condition. Overwatering them too much is a bad idea. Transplanting your seedlings from rapid rooters plugs. After a couple of weeks, the seedlings sprout, therefore, they can now be placed under light to boost their growth. When the roots start shooting out of the bottom of the rapid rooter plug, that's a sign it's ready to be transplanted into your hydroponics or dirt. Transplanting to your hydroponics. You can transplant your seedlings into any hydroponic grow medium. You can also transplant into dirt or soil. After transplanting them into your hydroponic system, supply just a little dose of nutrient solution. How to use rapid rooters for cloning. Apart from making use of rapid rooters for your seed germination, they are also a perfect choice for starting clones. Also, you can use the cloned plant for your hydroponic or dirt. Follow these steps to use rapid rooters for cloning your plants. Cloning your plants with rapid rooters is pretty similar to seed germination. The first thing to do is to soak your rapid rooter in distilled water for a couple of hours to rehydrate them. Now place the rapid rooter in the growing tray that is meant for holding your clones. Afterward, obtain a cutting of the plant you wish to clone. The cuttings should some leaves and stem of a minimum of 2 inches. The bottom of the stem should be 1 inch or 2 inches bare. You can take away some leaves at the bottom of the stem to expose them. Cut the base of the stem into an angle of 45 degrees. Now insert your prepared cuttings into a rooting hormone. You can now put the cutting into the hole of the rapid rooter. Push the cutting down the rapid rooter so it can stand upright. Now put the clone in your rapid rooter tray and do the steps for other clones. Keep this set up in a dark place and medium heat conditions to promote growth. Therefore, we recommend you use a flat surface tray and heat mat underneath. The tray underneath should also be damp. Do this by filling the tray with around 1/4 inch of water. You should begin to see roots shooting out of the base of the rapid rooter plug after a couple of weeks. Transplant them to your hydroponics or soil. Conclusion. Rapid rooters do a great job when used for rooting, and they are ideal for cuttings and seedlings. It promotes healthy and vigorous early rooting for the development of your plant. Follow our procedure on how to use rapid rooters for your seeds and enjoy great results. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.